Hi, my name is Anuj Garg. I'm a director in the company Crossbond India. We are manufacturers of wood-based building materials such as MDF, MDHMR, particle board, pre-laminated boards, wooden flooring, and other materials such as ACP and other stuff as well. We are approximately a 25-year-old company. The company was started by my father, Ramkishore Agarwal, in the late 90s. And today we are one of the pioneers in the industry. We have 3 plants ranging from Himachal Pradesh to Uttarakhand to Gujarat. And we currently cater to the entire India. We are primarily make in India product, and we are catering the industry and as well as growing along with as India is growing too. So we all know SAP are global leaders when it comes to ERP systems. With us, we did not have any preconceived notion when it comes to choosing ERP system. But as I personally researched about ERP systems, SAP became a very clear choice. As I was looking at the platform, how to use it, how to understand, the platform itself is very catered to the users and very catered towards manufacturing businesses as a whole. The platform itself is very comprehensive. We are currently using Tally, and Tally has its own set of limitations when it comes to handling manufacturing side of things. With SAP, we are not only looking at a financial system, but which can handle the operation side of business, and also when you have a multiple plants, it can handle all the plants in one system. So it was a no-brainer for us, and the system and the user acceptability, everything was phenomenal for us, so it became a clear choice to use SAP. After I decided we want to pursue SAP as our ERP partner, choosing the right partner of implementation was very critical. We met with approximately 2 to 3 ERP solutions which were associated with SAP, but when I met with Uneecops team, I was instantly hooked. They were very capable. Their team, which came to us to present about how the system would look like, was able to convince me that these are the right people who can implement this system for us. When we even started, when we onboarded Uneecops, the team that were allotted to us were very highly skilled. They were very proactive, and they wanted to do this system in a very professional manner. They were very dedicated, and how they approached our users, the training they provided, and the entire process seemed very seamless and very professional. So I'm happy about onboarding Uneecops as a team, and we were able to implement the system in about 4 to 5 months, which is very commendable for both Uneecops and us for implementing a new software for a new industry. And yes, we are grateful for having them.